Hi, I'm Joey. I'm a father of 3. I've been an EMT since 2007.
Hey, I'm Micah. I graduated high school last year and
I'm currently in WVJC's MA program.
I'm currently in the CMA program.
Well, the pathway is I'm started out as a medical assistant student. I'm doing that for 12 months. I did that to prepare myself for nursing school. It's very hands-on. The teachers are wonderful. They are absolutely supportive of everything you do. The director of the medical program helps you every step of the way.
The reason I chose medical assisting was I was taking care of my grandmother who has dementia, and that really drove me to help people.
I'm currently working at CAMC as a nursing assistant in the surgical department at General. I got that job partially because of my past experience as an EMT and partially because of the fact that I'm in the medical assisting program and striving towards the nursing program.
I started the nursing program in September.
Starting the nursing program in the fall here at WVJC.